What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Mullah. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install VPN on any iPhone. So basically on the App Store there is free and paid apps. For me, I'm gonna use Norton 360 application, which is because I have a subscription with Norton, so I'm just gonna use their application. So you can go to the App Store and then look for like VPN, like free VPN or something, but for me I'm gonna use the application Norton 360. So as you guys can see, here is the app that I'm gonna be using. So click open, and then I'm gonna click menu and go all the way down to secure VPN. So I'm gonna set up the VPN now to have a safe web browsing. So I'm gonna click setup now and then click allow. So I'm gonna type the password one more time, and as you guys can see, I can choose the country that I want, for example Canada, and the VPN is on right now. So like that you can install and use the VPN with no issues. So if you like the video, please subscribe and don't forget to share with your friends. If you have any questions, you can comment below this video and I will be glad to help. Bye.